To begin, let us tackle this common Windows error. The first step involves utilizing the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Simply search for Memory Diagnostic in your Windows search bar and select the Windows Memory Diagnostic application. When prompted, choose to restart now and check for problems. This tool will scan your system's RAM for any issues. Following the Memory Diagnostic, we will proceed with a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar, and then right-click on it to select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to find and repair corrupted Windows system files. The final crucial step to resolve the page fault in Nonpaged Area error is to ensure your drivers are up to date. Right-click on the Start button and choose Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates. Install any available optional updates. After that, return to the main Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates to ensure your system is running the latest versions of all essential components. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.